Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable depth effect on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to scroll it down from here, tap on wallpaper, and from here you have to tap on add new wallpaper. Now I'm going to show you how can you enable it. Just simply tap on this. Now as you can see guys, so you have to tap on three dots here and just simply check on this. As you can see guys, now disable it. Now it has been enabled, disable. So you have to tap on three dots and then you have to tap on depth effect. Okay guys, tap on add, tap on set as wallpaper. Now let me show you. As you can see guys, depth effect has been enabled. Okay guys, so you can also put your photo here and you can also enable on your photos. So you have to open settings again, scroll it down from here, tap on wallpaper, tap on add new wallpaper, tap on photo, and then you have to select the photo from here, and you can also use this on your photo. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.